Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 6105E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. The tractor has just under 800 hours on it. It's a very sharp, very clean unit. Has the loader prep package, so adding a loader can certainly be done to this tractor. We do currently have a used H310 loader that we can add to the tractor. Depending on when you're watching this video, give us a call or shoot us a message to check availability of the tractor and loader. Let's get the hydraulic hookups right here. Loader frames are here. Corner post exhaust has the mirrors on both sides of the cab, doors on both sides of the cab. Has the Mitas radial tires. Rears are the 18.4 R38s. They're excellent. Front and rear work lights on the cab. Dual remotes, 540 and 1000 PTO. We have approximately 120 used tractors on our yard. We specialize in late model, low hour used tractors. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can take trade-ins. If you're looking to trade a piece, simply text or email us the pictures and we can quote that for you. This tractor has a left-hand powered reverser transmission, full air ride seat here for the operator, 12-speed transmission, has the 4 ranges back here, 3 gears also right here, loader control, 3-point hydraulic, hand throttle, 4-wheel drive and PTO all directly to the right of the seat there. Up top you have the radio, climate controls, rearview mirror, sun visor. Again, we do take trades, offer financing and trucking. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us at masttractor.com.